Hello, let's say you designed your Google form header in Canva or any other tool, and you want to change with your custom image. Let's create a new Google form for demonstration here. You can pick one of the templates, and let's pick the customer feedback template for this purpose. Yeah, now we want to change this default header. To do this, you will go to the top and you will find this customize theme, and when you click it, you will find options on the right, and you will go down to change the image here. So you click on the image uploaded, so we will click, and if you find a browse from these themes, you can also upload from Google Photos if you already saved to Google Photos, but let us upload from local machine. So we will drag and drop our design here, and we will get a 4:1 ratio space here. We need to make sure that our design fits this 4:1 ratio. After fitting on the space here, you just click done. Then you will find your desired image on the header. Now you are done with your header, and you publish your Google form so that responders fill their required information. After you publish your Google form, there is no submit button if you want to fill your own information in the form. You need to go to the top again, and you will find this copy responder link option. So you will click on it, and you can also shorten the link, copy the URL, and you will paste it on a new tab, and you will see the responder view. Then you can fill your required information here, and you will also find the submit button here. That's all for today. Thank you, and see you next time.